Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new to Canva or you've just been working with their templates so far, today's video is going to give you a quick but important skill: how to create a custom size design in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently make designs that fit exactly what you need, whether it's a specific social media banner, a unique flyer, or something totally custom for your project. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through step by step. So first, go ahead and open up Canva either on your browser or the app, whichever works best for you. Now when you land on your homepage, take a look at the very top left corner. You'll see a big bold button labeled Create a Design. This is kind of like the gateway to anything new you want to make in Canva, so get comfortable with it. Hover over or click on that button and a menu will open up with lots of preset options, things like Instagram posts, posters, or presentations. But today, we're not selecting from the defaults. What you want to do is look just a little bit below this menu where it says Custom Size. Now, sometimes this isn't massively obvious, so don't worry if you have to pause and scan the dropdown for a moment. When you spot Custom Size, go ahead and click on it. Now this is where the magic happens. You'll be asked to input the width and height for your new canvas. Think about where your design going to live. Maybe you're making a Facebook cover, a custom YouTube thumbnail, or even a business card with really unique dimensions. Before you type in the numbers, double check what the requirements are, either from the website you're posting to or from your printer if you're going to print. You'll notice next to those width and height boxes there's a drop-down where you can choose the unit of measurement. Canva is really flexible here. It lets you pick from pixels px, inches in, millimeters, or centimeters cm. For anything digital like social media or web graphics, pixels are usually your best bet. If you're planning to print your design, inches, millimeters, or centimeters make more sense since those translate directly to real-world size. And just as an example, say you want to create a custom sticker that's 2 inches by 2 inches, you can simply type in 2 and select inches from the drop-down. Super straightforward. Once you've entered your custom width and height, take a moment to double-check those numbers. It's a good habit, especially if you're on a deadline or need something to fit just right. When you're happy, look for the button that says Create New Design, click that, and Canva will instantly open up a fresh canvas at your chosen size, ready for you to get creative. Sometimes it might take a few seconds to load, especially if your internet's a bit slow. Don't worry, that's totally normal. And that's it, you're now set up with a perfectly sized blank design, tailored exactly for your needs. From here, you can start adding text, images, or whatever you want, knowing your layout is going to fit its destination just right. Remember, coming up with the right size is one of those behind-the-scenes steps that seems small, but it makes all the difference in making your design look professional. If this tutorial helped you out, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about sizing, units, or anything Canva-related, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more simple, helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.